Presenting the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera. It is available in ice blue, lime green, cobalt blue, flamingo pink and smoky white. The camera is simple to use and produces instant photographs. Just press the power on button beside the lens, adjust the brightness dial and shoot to obtain pictures instantly. The camera features a viewfinder for greater clarity and visibility while clicking pictures. The Instax Mini 9 is colorful, compact and lightweight, making it suitable to be carried around to click and obtain instant credit card size photos. The camera comes with a selfie mirror right next to the lens that helps in better framing for clicking selfies. It also comes with a close-up lens that makes close-up shooting up to 35 cm away possible. With the brightness adjustment dial, the camera automatically determines the best brightness for taking a picture and lights up the most suitable setting based on your surroundings for getting beautiful pictures in different light conditions. It also comes with a high key mode mark on the brightness adjustment dial that allows you to take brighter pictures with a softer impression that is suitable for portraits. Inside the box you will find Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera. The camera comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.